I've had the same bike for 8 years now, and it's still going strong. Well, I say the same bike. I've just had another new cassette, another new cassette on there. In fact, the whole rear wheel, including the brake rotor, is new, so the new rear wheel. But recently the derailleur's been changed, front and rear derailleurs. The bottom bracket was changed a little while ago. This one's still going strong. I think it's maybe got a few hundred more miles left in it. Obviously, it's about the third set of pedals. I think the crank arm's the same. New front wheel. You'll see some older forks back there. So it's had new forks on it. I've had a couple of different saddles on it, but this is one I've stuck with. Saddle. And, oh, it's the original seat pin. But new saddle on there. That's gone onto it. Bar ends and bar grips are new. So it's got the same brake levers and same calipers. So, yeah, the same bike, apart from the wheels, the drivetrain, saddle, and bar ends. So the bits that are absolutely the same as the, oh, and the fork, not the same front suspension fork, is the frame. And in fact, the calipers and levers are all the same. Yeah. But other things have worn out and have been replaced. So still going strong apart from that.